She got a little sister named Baby D. I'm telling you, this fat bitch get physical. She sell dope, do hair, and babysit out the same house. Police don't know when to kick the door in. I got a restraining order on her fat ass, too.
Wait, you got a restraining order on a little girl named Baby D?
You don't know Baby D. You don't know, that's why you looking at me, because you don't know Baby D. Her fat ass be snoring and don't even be asleep, just standing there. Fat little cupcakes and shit. This fat bitch know about all the new snacks before they even hit the street. All the bootleg snacks. The year 2000 snacks. Yeah, go tell me the other day, talking about, Cupcake got a new Twinkie coming out next month. It's a bad motherfucker. When you bite into it, cream fill and shoot all in your mouth. Glitter. Fat bitch.